Hey everyone, Alex here, and we're off to our contact travel agent who looks and books after our the Canton Fair program. So we're actually heading over in 2 months. 2 months actually, and we're booking booked 10 rooms so far for the Canton Fair, and we've got people already joined us, and we've got to sort out their visas. So we're heading to the flight centre right now to book this in. If you're looking to come to the Canton Fair and join us, you have to book, you have to let us know as soon as possible, right? Because it actually does take some time to book these visas. We've got to send them off to the embassy and all that sort of stuff, all the red tape, right? But we'll look after that stuff for you, all right? But you need to book and let us know that you want to come to the Canton Fair with us. So what is included in the Canton Fair? Well, we look after your flights for this month. We actually do look after your flights. We look after your accommodation, the shuttles to and from the Canton Fair. We look after that as well, right? We do a couple of dinners. We do this a cultural night. We actually go out and about, and we actually have a cultural night where we do a river cruise. We do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. But it's important, if you are wanting to come, you need to book yourself in, all right? Let us know. Give our team a call and let us know, all right? So, and you know what? The importance of going to the Canton Fair is this. You meet suppliers then and there, all right? So there's no back and forward with Alibaba. You have to email them, ask them how much it costs, and say, how much does it cost? How many do I have to order? When you walk around the Canton Fair, you're sitting down with them, the booth is there, and you say, hey, how many do I have to order? What's the price, right? And you get it then and there. And you do that with 5 other suppliers then and there, right in front of them. So you shortcut a whole bunch of time. You save yourself weeks and weeks of time back and forward talking to these suppliers, and you just do it then and there. So we're here right now. And her name is Jade. All right. Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. All right, so we're here with our lovely travel agent. Her name is Jade. And she looks after all the travel arrangements. So if you're going to join us at the Canton Fair, she looks after everything. And how many clients have you looked after so far? Is there 3 or 4 clients of ours?
So far.
Yeah, great, awesome. She is our top lady, your top connection with booking your flights. If you're joining us at the Canton Fair, she's the lady who's going to help you book it and also potentially assist you with your visas as well. But on that topic, as you can sort of see here, this is an invitation letter, right? So I actually need to do this. This is for the 126th session of the China Import-Export Fair, right? We're going to phase number 2. You'll be joining us. If you're interested in joining us at the Canton Fair, I organize these for you. You need this to get your visa. I do this for you, all right? So if you're going to join us, you need to call our office pronto, right? Because this is stuff that needs to be done now, all right? In anticipation for the October Fair, all right? So I need to basically organize this for you. Then we need to pass this information to our flight center representative, and they will look after and help assist you with your visa. So if you're joining us, guys, connect with our office 02 8003 7534. That's our office number, 02 8003 7534. I would love to see you at the fair. I would love to help you guys, and yeah, give us a call. See you guys. Bye-bye.